Hey everyone, it's Andrew from Ori, and you're watching Expanded by Ori. It's our show where we take you around the country to show you different Ori expandable apartments. Today, I am in beautiful Washington, D.C., on my way to Big Sky Flats. Super cool apartment complex with expandable junior one bedrooms, and I'm particularly excited to show you guys this building because it recently blew up our TikTok. We posted a video of this unit, and it has over 10 million views now. So I think it deserves a more in-depth tour. So we're gonna go there, show you the whole building, show you the units, talk about the amenities, talk about rent. And it's a beautiful day here in DC. Great city to bike around. Let's get to it. Roll the intro.
Always run, not win, and all they do is mirror, mirror, tell me what is it about them? Living like it's their game. Karma said it better than me. You'll just end up losing.
Big Sky Flats is located in northeast Washington, D.C., in between the neighborhoods of Ivy City and Brookland. The building is the first in a series of planned developments for the area that will bring hundreds of new housing units to the city, along with mixed-use retail, entertainment, and dining. The development is part of a major citywide push spearheaded by D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser to create 36,000 new housing units in the city by the end of 2025, in a bold effort to curb D.C.'s rising housing costs. Big Sky Flats has 10 junior one bedrooms featuring the Ori Pocket Office. Earlier this year, a video of the Ori Pocket Office at Big Sky Flats went viral on TikTok, garnering over 15 million views on our page.
Mirror, mirror, tell me what is it about them? Living like it's their game. In this world there's talkers and there's doers. Hey, we're all losers. We're in the house.
Alright, so I made it to the model unit here at Big Sky Flats, number 107 on the first floor. Let's go inside and check it out. And there it is, the famous TikTok Pocket Office unit at Big Sky Flats. Alright, so you walk in, you immediately get all this natural sunlight coming in from the windows, and on your right you have a pretty good sized coat closet. On your left is your bathroom. Really nice finishes, a big shower, nice tall ceilings in this unit as well. On your left you have your washer and dryer. Pretty big washer dryer actually, wow. And then the kitchen. Kitchen has a dishwasher, lots of storage. You have an electric range and oven and microwave. Okay, and then on the left is your junior bedroom. So these aren't official one bedrooms because it has a wall that does not go all the way up to the ceiling. But as you can see, you're pretty well enclosed in here. I mean, for all intents and purposes, this is a one bedroom. So in the bedroom, you've got space. You got a queen bed here, definitely room for a little bit more if you wanted, and a nice big closet, tall as well, with sliding doors. You've got your fridge. It's a little like junior size fridge. Oh, and it's stocked. Look at this. We've got ice cream, Klondike bars. Oh, I'm assuming that's for like people touring. So come to our Big Sky Flats and, you know, pick up a Klondike bar. And then here we are in the living room area. So living room has these almost floor to ceiling windows. So you get lots of natural light, pretty spacious area. We've got our little dining table here, space for a nice big sofa, and then of course behind me is the pocket office. Right now when it's closed, it serves as our entertainment center. So got a nice sized TV on here. It can fit up to 55 inches. Got some shelving, you can put some books and stuff. And then the best part is, of course, when you're ready for work, you come in, I tap the Ori logo, I hit the office icon, and out comes my home office. So if you haven't seen this video yet, we posted this on our TikTok and it blew up. It has over 10 million views now. If you don't follow us on TikTok, please do, at Ori_living. But it was just so funny. It's just a video of someone coming in and checking out the office and then sitting on the couch. But people really seem to resonate with it. A funny comment we kept getting is that the young woman in the video does not turn on the computer. And I got bad news for you. It's a fake computer. It's a prop for the model apartment, so you actually can't turn it on. It's a fake keyboard, so a little movie magic there. But as you can see, let me get the lights on in here actually. Get our nice zoom lights. And then you've got this pin board behind you. You have huge desk space, outlets that pop up, room for your laptop, room for a desktop computer, storage up above. Pretty spacious environment. And then a lot of people don't realize this, but the back side is actually a standing desk. We have these things staged here right now, but if I move those out of the way, this is your standing desk. So you got room, you can put your laptop up here, do a standing desk on the other side. Come back over here. See, I don't even have to close the desk. It'll push in on its own. So I tap the Ori icon, hit the office icon again. Now your office is gone. You have your living room back and plenty of room for having friends over, sitting and relaxing. There you go. That is the junior 1 bedroom at Big Sky Flats with the pocket office. Beautiful unit. So cool that this got so much attention, and in such a really cool neighborhood too that's up and coming and super affordable for DC. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but this place is a steal. Don't forget, these units are currently leasing right now. So check the link in our description for leasing information to set up a tour, and this could be your next home. All right, so down here in the lobby, you have this cool little fake fireplace, really pretty design. And then here's your mailroom. It's not a huge building, and so you can see there's not, row after row of mailboxes. So that's nice, small building, nice neighborhood feel. And then you have package locker over here in the Amazon hub, keep all your deliveries safe. And then you also have this little co-working nook behind me, where you have some nice big private booths with power outlets. And then over here they have something called the Hideout. Let's see what's happening in the Hideout. Cool. All right, so this is like a little quiet little living room area. Get these nice big bench seats, lots of places to put some drinks, comfy couches, a TV. It's cute, if you wanted to have some friends over, watch a movie or something like that, didn't want to do it in your apartment, this would be a good place to do it. Check it out. It's not a gym, it's the Iron Den.
Stop whining.
Open it up. Check it out. It smells new. So, pretty nice gym. Let's see, we've got a leg press, rowing machine, 3 treadmills,
good,
2 ellipticals, 2 stationary bikes.
Terrific.
And a lot of free weights.
I like that.
There is a squat rack.
Go on.
Some weight benches.
Okay.
And dumbbells.
Terrific.
Nice spacious area.
Absolutely, yeah.
One of the best features of this building is the deck on the top. So let's get in the elevator and check that out now. So here we are in the Sky Lounge. It's got a bunch of seats around. You've got a big screen TV, a vending machine, a little beer cooler, pretty nice. And then the Sky Terrace has this beautiful view of the city. Because of the height restrictions in DC, you can't actually build super high, and they're not surrounded by any other tall buildings, and so you can see all the way to the Capitol and the Washington Monument. Got these really pretty gardens set up in here. It's winter right now, so nothing's blooming, but I'm sure that'll be really pretty soon. Big tables, some outdoor couches, some nice places to sit and relax, and then a beautiful view behind me. See the Capitol, the Washington Monument, probably Alexandria over there. Really cool. Also on the first floor, you have a bike bin. Safe, secure indoor bike parking. And they have one of these repair stations with some basic tools and an air pump, change a flat tire, something like that. This is cool. Just outside the bike room is my new favorite amenity that more buildings seem to be adopting, which is the groom room for your dog. So check this out. This is one of the nicest ones I've seen. It's got this nice big ventilation system in here. That's nice for wet, smelly dogs. And then this big deep tub with a little step-up stool, and you can open this door, get spot in there, get them nice and cleaned up, close them down.
I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya.
All right, well, it's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go check out Union Market, which is a nearby food hall the leasing team told me about. It's not far, it's like an 8-minute bike ride. Let's go check it out. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our channel so you don't miss any of our future tours. Also, leave a comment and tell us what you think of these units. Did you see them on TikTok? And if not, why aren't you following us on there at Ori_living? All right, back to it. So let's talk some numbers. The average rent right now in Washington, D.C. is $2,356. Not exactly a cheap place to live. These expandable junior 1-bedrooms at Big Sky Flats start at $1,895. That brings you in $461 below the average rent for DC. And think about what that includes. You get new construction, great amenities, and the Ori Pocket Office, all for that price. There's great restaurants nearby, trails for running and biking, and you have easy access into the city. This location has a walk score of 81, a transit score of 66, and a bike score of 71. The Rhode Island Avenue Brentwood Red Line Metro stop is located less than a mile away. You're also located very close to the Metropolitan Branch Trail, which is a new bike trail that takes you from here practically all the way to the Capitol away from the roads. If you're looking to live in DC in new construction, this place is a steal. Thanks so much for watching. That's going to do it for me from DC. Make sure you hit subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think of these units. Also, don't forget, these units are renting right now, so check the link in the description to learn more. And once again, I'm Andrew from Ori. I'll see you at the next one.
Here I am, just trying to be myself. It's a crazy world, looking to find my place, and all they do is la 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 la. Here I am, just trying to run the race in the slow pace. All I'm trying to do is run, not win, and all they do is